It is currently hailing out here. It's hail. It's raining. Power went out briefly for like 2 seconds. It came back on. But yeah, this is kind of ridiculous. Their drain pipe over there is filling up. Circulation turned off in the swimming pool, probably. I don't know though. Hopefully it doesn't rain tomorrow. Oh, the neighbor's car's windows are open. The neighbor's car's windows are open. Oh my god. Shit, they are fucked. They are fucked. I'm gonna have to turn back the TV and reset everything because Race Canada's on tonight and I'm not gonna miss that. So, yeah. But yeah.